Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Developer Tools and locating the exact element that holds the text you want to edit. Right-click the text and choose Inspect to jump to the DOM node. This highlights the element in the Elements panel. Once highlighted, expand parent nodes if needed and verify it's the correct tag, paragraph, span, or heading. Make sure you're editing a text node, not a value generated later. This distinction matters because static text edits occur here instantly in the DOM. Now perform the actual edit. Double-click the text or right-click and choose Edit as HTML to replace content. You can change nearby attributes if you need visual adjustments, class, ID, data attributes, or inline style for color and font size. Once edited, press Enter or click away to apply changes. The page updates in place so you can preview results instantly. If the text disappears, inspect siblings or scripts that may override it, and try editing in the parent container instead. Finish by saving your changes externally because DevTools edits are temporary. Copy the modified HTML/CSS into your code editor, or set up a workspace to map local files and persist edits. If scripts overwrite your changes, disable JavaScript briefly or set a DOM breakpoint to pause execution and apply edits then. As a troubleshooting tip, if edits revert, check for client-side rendering frameworks or frequent AJAX updates. In those cases, update the template or server-side source rather than the DOM to make a lasting change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.